So, having completed mentoring young adults in the 21st century, I feel that it's added so much more value and information to the way that I'm able to communicate with young people, particularly um, in the generation that's would be my own children. Because when raising your children, we don't understand how they think and how they feel, and they have much more pressures and different things to deal with than we had to when we were much younger. So I feel that the things I've learned have allowed me to be more considerate and to better relate to my son and the way that I talk to him, and to get him to see things as having value and not where I'm just preaching, because no child wants to hear you preach. That does not get you very good results. So the skills that you learn in mentoring young adults in the 21st century are very valuable when it comes to communication. And I think that alone is the best value that you could get and take away from this course.